We meet again for financial reporting and analysis paper of 24th April 2025. And question 1, this question 1 was a theoretical question. Part A, with reference to International Accounting Standard IAS 10, events after the reporting period, explain the accounting treatment of adjusting events and non-adjusting events. Cite two examples of these events in each case. Part B, in the context of International Accounting Standard IAS 16, property, plant and equipment, discuss the accounting treatment of revaluation gains and revaluation losses on property, plant and equipment at revalued amount. Part C, in view of International Public Sector Accounting Standard IPSAS 19, provision, contingent liabilities, and contingent asset describe three conditions that must be met before a provision can be recognized. Part D, International Financial Reporting Standard IFRS 5, non-current asset held for sale and discontinued operations, provides guidance on accounting treatment of discontinued operation and non-current asset held for sale. Required, with reference to IFRS 5, explain the meaning of discontinued operation. Roman 2, discuss the IFRS 5 criteria which must be satisfied in order for a non-current asset to be classified as held for sale. Question 2. Distinguish between government grant and government assistance as per International Accounting Standard IAS 2020 government grants. Part B, you have been given a statement of an income statement and a statement of financial position for Bluke Limited, and in this case you are expected to do a vertical analysis on the statement of profit or loss for the year ended 31st December 2024 and a horizontal analysis on the statement of financial position. Then question 3 was a group question. This was a group question, and you are expected to calculate the value of goodwill arising on acquisition of Shape Limited as at 31st December 2024. B. Determine the value of interest in Jorte Limited as at 31st December 2024. And C. Prepare the consolidated statement of financial position for Poor Group as at 31st December 2024. Question 4. With reference to International Public Sector Accounting Standard IPSAS 4, the effect of changes in foreign exchange rates, explain the term functional currency. B, you are required, with suitable calculation, illustrate the accounting treatment of the above transaction. So this is a transaction from 1st January 2021 to 31st December 2024. Then part C, you are required to do a statement of changes in net asset for Smart Retirement Benefit Scheme for the year ended 31st December 2024, and Smart Retirement Benefit Scheme statement of net asset as at 31st December 2024. Question 5A, with reference to International Accounting Standard IAS 12 income taxes, describe the basis for measurement of current tax liabilities and deferred tax liabilities. Then part B of question 5 was a question on cash flow statement. This was a question on cash flow statement. Let us go to the answers and the suggested answers here. We have question 1, part A. Those are the suggested answers. The difference, the accounting treatment of adjusting events and non-adjusting events. Then part B, we have the answers, treatment of revaluation gains and revaluation losses. Then part C, condition that must be met before provision can be recognized. So these are the condition. And then D, the meaning of discontinued operations. And Roman 2, criteria which must be satisfied in order for an uncurrent asset to be classified as held for sale. Then question 2, difference between government grants and government assistance. The explanation is there. Then part B, vertical analysis of statement of profit or loss for Brook Limited. So this is a vertical analysis. And then we have the horizontal analysis of statement of, this is the horizontal analysis of the statement of financial position. So this is the horizontal analysis of the statement of financial position. We continue with the horizontal analysis of statement of financial position. Then question 3, goodwill arising on acquisition of Shape Limited is calculated there. It was 1500 or 1.5 million. Then part B, the value of interest in Jot Limited, it is there. Then we have a working 1, working 2, working 3, working 4. These are working for the statement of financial position question. So now this is a consolidated statement of financial position after those workings. Then question 4, the meaning of fractional currency. Then part B, you have how to compute the interest on loan note and the balances. This is how you do it. And then part C, statement of changes in net asset for Smart Retirement Benefit Scheme. And then Roman 2, statement of net asset as at 31st December 2024 for Smart Retirement Benefit Scheme. And finally, question 5, part A was about measurement of current tax liability and deferred tax liabilities. So you explain how they are measured. And then finally, part B, we have the cash flow statement. So this is the cash flow statement for Bestway Limited. And then for that cash flow statement, we have the workings, working 1, working 2, working 3, working 4, working 5, working 6, working 7, up to working 8, up to working 8. And this marks the end of this paper. This marks the end of this paper. So thank you very much. And if you want a PDF from 2015 to 2025, you can download it at just 100 shillings. In the comment section or in the description